fireworks on 4th of July. There's some coming from there. There's some coming from here. There's some coming from over here. My phone may be getting wet, but I don't care. I'm watching fireworks. See, if you see the lights over there, come from over there, come from over there.
Yep, another smiley.
Smiley. The smiley ones. Did you guys see the smiley face or the sideways?
Well, you can't guarantee which way it's going to blow up when it gets in the air.
Let's get a little closer to the action. By the way, this is General Laird 0. It's awesome.
Go back to the car. Go back to the car. Go back to where it was easy back there. Poppy's back there.
These are gonna be awesome. They're big sticks that he's lighting, and they're gonna blow up in the air. It's gonna be freaking amazing. Awesome, right?
Alright, time to light off something a little bigger.
Did you hear that?
You
We're
guys,
gonna light
well,
something a
you
little
guys have to
bigger.
find another lighter. Go over to Pat and get her lighter. You can light sparklers.
Sparklers!
Where's your headphones at? Should be right over the seats.
Phoebe's gonna wear it.
Yeah. Pull over around here.
Where did that go?
It's just all attached.
You guys
It's
see the
actually-
lighter?
just keep it
That's
on
where they're
together.
coming from.
Yeah, it's actually radio headphones. Yeah, go over there with.
I don't know where to get paid. Got a quarter stick from a ATF agent.
Hey, what is big one, little one?
If it's true or not.
Here.
Quarter stick of what?
Whoa, you got a lot.
Really?
Are you guys gonna shoot off all of those?
It's not powder.
Quarter stick as in kaboom boom?
It might be. It might got it from an ATF agent. Might be
Nice.
or yeah. I don't know.
This is awesome.
Look how many I got.
Tell him I'll stay away from it.
Awesome.
What else was he supposed to get?
Chuck it.
You know what? They're gonna do some bigger ones, but I'm gonna set up some. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Haha, I got it. You know what? I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna see if my mom will do it. Mama, I'm videotaping. Will you videotape all the fireworks?
No, you do it.
No, because I'm gonna do sparklers. Thank you.
It's recording right now.
Yeah. It's going on YouTube, so don't.
Which way? I don't see anything.
I know that's good.
And some bigger ones. But here.
Sparklers are right there.
Me. God, right. My name's not Cat.
He looks rough.
Sparkler.
Yeah, legit. Yeah, he doesn't look like Dad. What are you doing? Oh, I thought that was a firework. I was like, whoa, I'm a one. Hey, sparkling me. Ah! Scare the crap out of me, little. Jenna, stop moving. Want me to make this? Ah!
Here, let me do the
I don't want to do it. Can I get one?
Okay, go into the car. Go.
Thank you. Thank you. I want this. No, I'm the littlest. I'm the littlest one now. Do it at the same time.
You got more now.
Whoa, that one was big. It didn't light up Brian. Okay, Ryan, light up my sister's. That's what's gonna have to happen.
All you guys take off on flash.
She ain't get mine. She ain't get mine. Where's mine? There you go.
Here.
Somebody take my picture. Someone take my picture. Someone take my picture.
Are you peeking?
Yeah.
Oh,
Someone take my picture.
Hey. So I'm gonna write.
I need one. Sparklers. Ooh, gonna pop on me.
Okay, guys.
Hey,
take a picture with me. That was
I don't have one. Everybody hold up their sparklers and say yay!
light. Hurry up. Oh, we did. Dang it, we got another one.
Give me one. I need one.
Come on, we gotta get pictures. That's cute.
And it's over.
Hang on.
Where do we put the sticks at?
Not yet.
I know, but I just thought it would be convenient.
Okay, but you have to put the over there somewhere in the top. Oh, one. There's one over there. Oh, there's one. There's some going on right here. Whoa. Oh, those things came down! Awesome!
Ray, here, take my picture. Take my picture. Woo. Okay, ready?
Get on the other side, Raya.
Holy
Bend down. What the fudge?
pictures.
That one looks like she's on crack.
I'm taking a video.
Okay, that was mine. Was a bad picture.
Mine's blurry. You suck. Look, this is so cute of me. And then these are booty. These are blurry.
Yeah.
Here.
Try another picture, Raya.
Guys, better look behind you.
Oh, mine went out.
Hurry!
Here's what
earlier.
Oh, that was so booty.
Look at this.
Daddy! Get on with the working!
Yeah. Hang on, I'm getting it.
Dang, my second one was cute. You booty boy. That was so blurry.
Really? If you're gonna act like that, then you can get it.
I'm just kidding.
No, not you. Hers.
I mean,
Y'all
hand them out.
selfish.
I
I got it.
I like
They're
I
getting wet.
I like. Aren't the big ones colorful? Like they do different colors?
No.
No, don't open the door. What's kitty?
Ow!
They're gonna be. Hey, look, they're gonna get wet. Where do I put these? She said they're not gonna be good if they get wet.
No, here. I'll
Where are we gonna be taking pictures? She can't put that on the shirt.
She can.
Dang, did you let her come on? I would. What? Okay.
Recording
Please
this.
don't try to make it blurry. I mean, I understand 'cause it's raining. It's hard. Whoa!
8 minutes and 32
Good? Is it blurry? Is it blurry?
Put my thing in the picture. Whoa, dude, I just got like an update or something and.
You're not even looking.
Infinity sign!
Sparklers! Sparklers!
Nobody gets all of this, baby.
Sparklers! I'm writing my name and cursive. Savannah! Ooh, hot! That's hot. Hot tea, Molly. Whoa, where is that? This is minute 9 of fireworks. Oh, they're over there! They're over there! They're very colorful! Come on! Haha, I can see them through the bushes.
Guys, there's fireworks everywhere. Oh my God. That one all the way over there, man.
Yeah, people are setting them off there, there.
We got some right.
Wait a minute! that go off?
Oh, it didn't. That wasn't that one.
That thing right there was like, and it started smoking.
No, it was that one over there.
No, it wasn't. It was right there because it started smoking. Everywhere. Come on, shoot the fireworks higher, you retards.
Where'd she go?
Ryan? Right there. Fireworks. Look at the fireworks there.
Okay.
Eyes closing.
Fireworks.
Dude, that thing's crazy.
Oh, you have those color bombs. Color bombs. Color bombs are those like colorful little egg things.
Do you throw?
No, you light them.
Matt,
Won't look like.
can I get out the color sparklers? Hey, favor, go put
I'm gonna see if I can record like this. Put my phone like this.
everywhere. There's people everywhere. Yeah, bring it on with the working.
Over there. What are you doing?
There's a whole bunch of fireworks.
I know, I'm recording. I've been recording for 11 minutes, almost 10, almost 12. Whoa! That was awesome! Pop, 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 putty, pop, 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 pop. Ooh. I hear them right there. Hear them right there. Hear them right there. Hear them right there. That's what all those things are. Don't worry, they're not guns. That scared me at first too. But they are fireworks.
You got us? Here it comes. Oh, here it goes. Whatever color, I don't know what it is. Yeah, red! Why is the fireworks going off everywhere in the country, guys? Guys?
Woo!
Oh! Can you I want some of those?
Green.
Smoke like crazy.